In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about sniping Solana coins and making money with it. So first things first, start off with Phantom. Just download the extension for Chrome. You need to have a wallet, you know. So go to phantom.app/download. Add to your extension, Chrome extension. Just create a new wallet, or maybe you already have one. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna create one now. It's obviously is just for testing, you know, just for showing you guys. So just save your secret recovery phrase, then you're all done.
Before we go on, like this video, smash that subscribe button, and click this notification bell right now, or an ant colony will eat you.
So after that, make sure you send some Solana coin to your Phantom wallet, because you're gonna need it. It doesn't have to be much, you know. It can be a little bit, no problem. Solana charges like little fees to swap, so it's no problem. If you send like $10 or something, or $5, it's no problem. So after that, you go to Telegram. You make sure you add this chat. This is a chat bot of Solana. Make sure you can see the username. Then after in the chat, you just say /start. Then the bot gives you a wallet address. That wallet address can be used to make transactions for the bot, you know. So you have to send the Solana to that wallet address. So as you can see, I already sent something, just to show you guys. So if you charged up your bot, you can go to the next website. It's called Deck Screener. I'm sure you guys know this site, Deck Screener. You go to Solana, then you're looking for new pairs, you know, new pairs, the newest, and you want to look for, yeah, you know, coins that are like 2 minutes old. So if they're like 2 minutes old, you never know what's gonna happen, you know. So besides this, you have always check every coin on rock check, because if you don't do this, you might lose all your money, you know. So check the address. You can just copy me, just click on the coin. It's always the middle one, the contract address on the right. So I'm gonna show you one more time. So because this coin is not good, you can see. Let's try another one. I'm going to the right, I'm scrolling down a little bit. and I'm hitting the middle one, always the middle one. Copy that, it's a token address. Just paste it. Danger again, so don't buy this shit. So we're gonna look. Just make sure you find one that's approved by RookCheck. Danger again, so don't buy it. Check again. New pairs. Warning, so also don't buy it. Just look through them a little bit. Danger again, don't buy it. So check this one. Finally, this is a good one. So we can buy this with our Telegram bot. So go back to Telegram. Type in the chat /buy. Then you enter the token address. After that, you can decide yourself how much Solana you want to put in this coin. So as you can see, you can put what you want, any amount, no problem. There is no maximum, no minimum. Just make sure you have a little bit fee left. So after you bought it, you can sell it as well on the same way. So you go to the chat, you type /sell, then after that you can decide how much you sell.